Today we're going to talk about something that has been literally ripping my arms for many years. Stick around, guys. Have you ever been somewhere and somebody is putting a tie wrap on? I call them zip ties. Some people call them tie wraps, whatever you want to call them. And the first thing that they do is they put it on, and then what do? They cut it off. Well, that leaves one heck of a sharp edge on there. And I don't know if you can see or not. My hands are pretty rough anyway, but it is a very sharp edge, and it will literally cut you open if you rake your arm across it. Now I'm going to show you two ways to fix a tie wrap to not have that be an issue, because that, to me, is half butt work. So let's talk about this. Let's talk about the first easy way that most people have, if you're, especially if you're an electrician or whatever. You put your tie wrap on like so. All right, you have it like there. And what you want to do is you want to take your clines and you want to grab it. So you just want to put your clines on here, but you want to put them like this. Now, I'm not going to turn the camera around the opposite way, but you get the picture. You're right up against it, and you can just twist it. And eventually, it'll come off, and it is literally not even, I mean, I can rake my arm across. Now, of course, you're going to see a little scar because there's plastic here, but you're not getting any sharp edges. Now, let's say you want to take it one step further, because that is a lot of arm twisting, right? If you want to make it where it's easy on you and you don't have to really twist, if you got like lots and lots of these, well, let me show you a neat little thing that I have, and I will leave a link down below to Amazon where you can get this, because it is very cheap. You don't have to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but it's this right here, this tool right here, and this is a zip tie tool. So you basically put your tie wrap in there and you, boom, now it's cut very, very, very nice. No sharp edges whatsoever. I can drag my arm all the way across and nothing. So this is a very cheap product to buy, and if you already have your clines, you don't have to, but my suggestion is, if you're going to be doing lots of tie wraps, and if you're an electrician, chances are, or HVAC, chances are you're going to be using tie wraps a pile. So if you want to invest about $30 into one of these, it will really speed up your work, and a lot of twisting will be taken out of the equation. Trust me, you can get carpal tunnel pretty easy twisting, with that motion all the time. With this, all you do is you just pull, bam, and it cuts it, and it's very, 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 very nice. So I recommend these things. Maybe you can get one or not, or you can just keep using your clines. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below where you can get one of these. And if you guys are interested in any kind of anchors or anything like that, I'm going to be doing a whole entire series full of that. At the end of this video, there will be one that I really like that I've already done. Check that out. Video will be popping up. You guys can keep on learning, and I will see you in that next video. Like and subscribe. God bless. I'll see you in the next one.